guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag featuring my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I had so many questions when I did my unboxing and what can actually fit in here. And beforehand, I'm sorry if you can hear some background noise. We're doing some work on our backyard, so sorry about that, but I will try my best to talk a little bit louder so you guys can hear me. So yeah, today's video is a what's in my bag. I have this thing filled of like my essentials that I bring every day. Actually, before we get started, guys, I wanted to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Scotto. I like to do luxury content here on my YouTube channel. Luxury hauls, luxury unboxings, luxury what's in my bags, reviews, first impressions, all that luxury fun stuff. And yeah, so if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to subscribe and let's be friends. So yeah, here is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. It is a tiny bag, guys, let me tell you. And it has a zipper opening, so I'm just gonna start grabbing things out of my bag. The first thing that I'm grabbing is my hand sanitizer wipes. You guys know these by now. I always have these in my bag. They smell amazing and they don't make my hands feel sticky, so really love these. They're from Whole Foods. The next thing that I'm pulling out is my wallet. This is the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration wallet, and I love this wallet so much. Fits everything and it's slim, so it is the perfect wallet to fit in here. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a hair tie. Always have a hair tie with me. And then the next thing that I'm pulling out is my hand cream. This is the Waikiki Beach Coconut. I'm still on this one from Bath & Body Works. Smells amazing. Check it out if you have a Bath & Body Works. And then I have my all-time favorite chapstick, Burt's Bees. And then the last thing that I have in here is my phone. So getting my phone in is not an issue. Getting my phone out is an issue. So kind of gotta play with it a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So if you have a phone bigger than that, it's probably not going to fit. Yeah, this fits in perfectly. It's just getting it out. Getting it out is a struggle sometimes, especially if you have other things in there. But yeah, that is everything in my bag. I couldn't fit any more in there. And yeah, this is kind of just like a essential kind of bag. You can't just bring everything that you have in your big bag in here. So I try to put sunglasses in, but they won't fit. So I mean, if you don't have hand sanitizer wipes, maybe let me try it out. Let's try it out. So here's my wallet. I need that. And my hair tie. So I have that, my wallet, my chapstick, my hand cream, and let's see if the glasses fit. If you hold your phone in your hand most of the time, then you can actually fit a lot more in here. But I usually have it in my bag because I like to be hands-free when I'm out and I don't want to just carry my phone everywhere or in my hands. So yeah, I have it in my bag at all times. But yeah, you can fit the sunglasses in here perfectly if you just don't put your phone in there and you don't have hand sanitizer wipes. If you have a smaller hand sanitizer, and you can actually fit quite a lot more in there if you have like a phone charger or some kind of charger or anything else. You could definitely fit in here. It has a bunch of room. And yeah, so that is my what's in my bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative for those who want to purchase this bag and don't know exactly what it could fit in there. And yeah, I hope that helped you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.